So this is why I've you can hear the rain, I presume. This is why I've built this to have a little bit of shelter and to have this onion rack here. Obviously this can be a seed station, you know, not a greenhouse. It's got some lights, it's got a bit of shelter, so late March I could be putting seedlings in here to harden off. It'd be quite a handy spot, plus I can sit here and admire my seedlings. Later on in the year, July, I'll have somewhere to dry my onions out, which is critical. I've moved to a new variety of onion. It's not to say I'm not going to compete with the lads and lasses for the giant onion. I'm going to grow on probably about 10 of them. The other 150, 200 will be Bedfordshire Champion, because we know that they are rock hard in winter and don't rot. So they can be dried off in here, hanging from these racks, and I'll have something decent to eat over the winter. The giant onions don't keep over the winter. By December they'll be rotten mush, whereas these should last through till March, hopefully. They're obviously not as big, but let's see how we get on. It's most definitely slap bang in the middle of winter. Christmas and the holiday season is the beginning of winter, for gardeners anyway. So sure, we're getting more sunlight. I mean, I think we've got about another hour's daylight now. The climate hasn't, the weather hasn't caught up. The climate hasn't caught up. So we've got another month and a half till spring, but we can use our greenhouses and our kitchens to bring on seeds ready for spring. But we still need to protect plants, even when we are into spring, with fleece and polytunnels and so on. Even right up through April. So things like this are really useful to help. Cold frames, low tunnels, fleece, you know, gauze, whatever. You know, the season when things really take off is going to be in May. So we've got a long way to go yet, but we want to be ahead of the game. So that's why all this messing around with woodwork and drilling and so on. Anyway, I wanted to do a quick update. It's been a week since I last did another one. It is ticking it down. It was absolutely frozen for the last week. We should be getting a bit better weather this coming week, hopefully, and which should lift the spirits, hopefully. So let's see what happens, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ra for now.